Commerce TV, we are the future.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Are you stressed? Don't be stressed. Well, this is a solution, and that also gives you a hint, because today we're going to be making stress balls. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, we tried with the glass, but it didn't work. So instead, we'll use some plastic. And to make stress balls, we need balloons. Where are the balloons? I can magic some. Abracadabra. So to make stress balls, you need balloons. Are there any balloons around here? Don't worry, I can magic some balloons. Abracadabra. Okay, I need a spoon and a funnel. And now I get this. Then I put the funnel here. Then I take the spoon and then I scoop some flour, almond flour. Then we put it in here. Then let it get in. Then put more flour. Get in your flour. If the flour is stuck at the tube, think. Well, what I'm thinking right now is to use a straw to unplug it. So I just need to get a straw so that I can unplug it. Look at this. Let's see. Now it can get in. So like we have an inch and a quarter filled up right now. So now we just need to fill it up more. Add more. Add more. I accidentally dropped some on the floor. What? Oh my god, it's on my pants, my shirt. Oh no! Oh my god, it's like a swimming pool. La 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 la. Stir it, stir it, stir. Oh my god, ice. Ta-da! My new invention. You also need to lift it above this a little, then just push. Ah, it's so furious! Oh my gosh, it went everywhere. OMG. Okay, use some nothing. Okay, should we put the balloon now? Shiny. Okay, balloon. Okay. Ow. Ha-ha! Pop! 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 Ah. This isn't working the way I planned it to. Oh, now it's working. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! See all this has 0% of error. All this is flour. I turned into clown armor. This is finished first ball. If I do this, then I just a flower cannon. I finished. Flower cannon. Flower cannon. Flower cannon. Okay, now we need to tie this with a ballies. Stress ball. My mom is so much gonna stress when she sees this mess. I don't want to talk about it. I forgot how to tie a balloonie. even squish it. It's better as a cannon. At least it's a stress ball. If you put the stress ball in flour and you throw it up, catch it, it blows. Like it blows. Let me try it again. 3, 2, 1. Ow, my eyeballs!
Oh no!
My eyeballs! It's like some sort of squishy Play-Doh thingy. If you can't cut the top of the balloon off, tell your mom or your parents. So I'm gonna play with the stress ball and the flour. I feel like it's snowing. Oh my god, it looks like an avocado. I feel like something's on my head. I feel like a giant ribbon is on my head. I feel like a ribbon is on my head right now. So I'm gonna see myself on the mirror. Oh my gosh. That's why I feel there's like a mask everywhere on my face. OMG. My chin is the most widest. OMG. That looks like me. That does not look like me. That looks like a clown. Not me. I've never want to be a clown when I grow up. I think I might want to start cleaning up before my mom comes here. If she comes here before I clean up the whole mess, I'll give her my stress ball. Okay. Bye. I think my mom's coming. My mom came! This is what I made for you. A stress ball. It disappeared. End of the video, you guys. So make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Let's go. Oh, it's disappeared. Ow! Ow! My eyes! Look there.